Welcome to Lamey Languages. Daily routine.
Me despierto temprano.
I wake up early. I wake up early.
Reviso la hora.
I check the time. I check the time.
Me froto los ojos.
I rub my eyes. I rub my eyes.
Estiro los brazos.
I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms.
Me levanto de la cama.
I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
Me pongo las pantuflas.
I put on my slippers. I put on my slippers.
Sonrío por la mañana.
I smile in the morning. I smile in the morning.
Abro la ventana.
I open the window. I open the window.
Siento el aire fresco.
I feel the cool air. I feel the cool air.
Respiro profundamente.
I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.
Miro el cielo.
I look at the sky. I look at the sky.
Veo el amanecer.
I see the sunrise. I see the sunrise.
Escucho a los pájaros cantar.
I hear birds singing. I hear birds singing.
Hoy me siento feliz.
I feel happy today. I feel happy today.
Comienzo un nuevo día.
I start a new day. I start a new day.
Me siento en mi cama.
I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed.
Planifico mi día.
I plan my day. I plan my day.
Camino hacia el baño.
I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom.
Me miro en el espejo.
I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror.
Me cepillo los dientes.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Me enjuago la boca.
I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth.
Me lavo las manos.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
Me lavo la cara.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
Me seco la cara con una toalla.
I dry my face with a towel. I dry my face with a towel.
Acomodo mi almohada.
I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow.
Tiendo mi cama cuidadosamente.
I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly.
Doblo mi manta.
I fold my blanket. I fold my blanket.
Preparo un desayuno sencillo.
I prepare a simple breakfast. I prepare a simple breakfast.
Tuesto el pan ligeramente.
I toast bread lightly. I toast bread lightly.
Unto mermelada en mi tostada.
I spread jam on my toast. I spread jam on my toast.
Me siento a la mesa para comer.
I sit at the table to eat. I sit at the table to eat.
Bebo una taza de café.
I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee.
Como una tostada con mantequilla.
I eat toast with butter. I eat toast with butter.
Desayuno un huevo.
I have an egg for breakfast. I have an egg for breakfast.
Recojo la mesa después del desayuno.
I clear the table after breakfast. I clear the table after breakfast.
Lavo los platos después de comer.
I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating.
Me ducho.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
Me lavo el cuerpo con jabón.
I wash my body with soap. I wash my body with soap.
Me lavo el pelo con champú.
I wash my hair with shampoo. I wash my hair with shampoo.
Me seco el cuerpo con una toalla.
I dry my body with a towel. I dry my body with a towel.
Me seco el cabello con una toalla.
I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel.
Elijo una camisa suave.
I choose a soft shirt. I choose a soft shirt.
Me pongo un pantalón.
I put on my pants. I put on my pants.
Me pongo una camisa.
I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt.
Me pongo mis calcetines favoritos.
I put on my favorite socks. I put on my favorite socks.
Me pongo los zapatos.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
Me visto para el día.
I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day.
Me peino.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
Reviso mi ropa en el espejo.
I check my clothes in the mirror. I check my clothes in the mirror.
Pongo mi teléfono en el bolso.
I put my phone in my bag. I put my phone in my bag.
Me pongo el abrigo antes de salir.
I put on my coat before I leave. I put on my coat before I leave.
Me pongo los guantes.
I put on my gloves. I put on my gloves.
Me pongo la bufanda.
I put on my scarf. I put on my scarf.
Salgo de mi casa.
I leave my house. I leave my house.
Espero el autobús.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
Voy al trabajo en autobús.
I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus.
Llego al trabajo.
I arrive at work. I arrive at work.
Empiezo a trabajar en mi escritorio.
I start working at my desk. I start working at my desk.
Tomo un breve descanso.
I take a short break. I take a short break.
Asisto a una reunión.
I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting.
Tomo mi descanso para almorzar.
I take my lunch break. I take my lunch break.
Almuerzo un sándwich.
I have a sandwich for lunch. I have a sandwich for lunch.
Disfruto una ensalada en el almuerzo.
I enjoy a salad for lunch. I enjoy a salad for lunch.
Trabajo en tareas sencillas.
I work on simple tasks. I work on simple tasks.
Salgo del trabajo por la tarde.
I leave work in the afternoon. I leave work in the afternoon.
Camino hasta el parque.
I walk to the park. I walk to the park.
Compro fruta fresca en la tienda.
I buy fresh fruit at the store. I buy fresh fruit at the store.
Compro pan en la panadería.
I buy bread at the bakery. I buy bread at the bakery.
Regreso a casa por la tarde.
I return home in the evening. I return home in the evening.
Me desabotono el abrigo.
I unbutton my coat. I unbutton my coat.
Me quito el abrigo.
I take off my coat. I take off my coat.
Cuelgo mi chaqueta.
I hang up my jacket. I hang up my jacket.
Pongo mi bolso sobre el gavetero.
I put my bag on the dresser. I put my bag on the dresser.
Me cambio a ropa cómoda.
I change into comfortable clothes. I change into comfortable clothes.
Preparo la cena en la cocina.
I prepare dinner in the kitchen. I prepare dinner in the kitchen.
Ceno un tazón de sopa.
I have a bowl of soup for dinner. I have a bowl of soup for dinner.
Me siento en el sofá a ver la televisión.
I sit on the sofa to watch TV. I sit on the sofa to watch TV.
Me relajo en el sofá.
I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa.
Me voy a dormir. Buenas noches.
I'm going to sleep. Good night. I'm going to sleep. Good night.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.